Does GoDaddy require coding? No, GoDaddy does not require coding for most website building tasks. It offers a drag and drop website builder and pre-designed templates, making it beginner friendly. However, coding can be useful for advanced customization. First, no coding features on GoDaddy. First website builder. Tool, GoDaddy Website Builder. What it does, create a website using drag and drop functionality. Best for small businesses, personal websites, and beginners. Second, pre-designed templates. Tool, template library. What it does, choose from hundreds of industry-specific templates. Best for users who want a professional design without coding. 3. Built-in features. Features included contact forms, e-commerce, social media integration, and SEO tools. Best for non-technical users wanting built-in functionality. 2. When coding is required. 1. Advanced customization. Tool, custom HTML CSS editor. When to use. For customizing website appearance beyond template options. Best for users with web development knowledge. Second, WordPress hosting. Tool, GoDaddy WordPress hosting. When to use. For building custom WordPress sites using plugins, themes, and custom code. Best for bloggers, developers, and businesses needing unique functionality. Third, domain and hosting setup. Tool, cPanel or Plesk for web hosting plans. When to use. For creating websites from scratch using PHP, HTML, and other coding languages. Best for developers managing back-end server settings. 3. E-commerce and online stores. Tool, GoDaddy Online Store Builder. No coding required. Use built-in e-commerce templates and payment integrations. Advanced option. Add custom code for unique payment gateways or site features.